Hey, it's Zombie, and today's video is going to be an Influenster unboxing slash, review. I got this Influencer box about a couple weeks ago. It is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Box. Let me get these out. They are Marc Jacobs Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayons, and I got the colors Night Mauves and Send Nudes. Please don't send me nudes. I do not want to see you naked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a little application video of these. And after the little short clip there where you guys see me applying them, I'm going to talk to you about them and tell you what I think about them. Now let's talk about what I think about these. They have this super buttery application. They apply like a lip crayon, and they just smooth on so easily. After a little bit they start to dry down, and then it's almost like you have a liquid lip on, but without all the super extra drying, because they don't really dry my lips out. They just, I don't know. Even though they dry down, they still feel nice and smooth, and I don't really have that crusty feeling I have with liquid lips. And they also don't really settle into my lip lines, so they're not cracking when they're dry and all that. All around, I really do enjoy these, and I've been using them quite a bit. And if you would like to see pictures where I did my makeup and used these, then you can check them out on my Instagram, which I will link down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't checked out Influenster, definitely do. You can do a lot of surveys, you can review stuff, you can do these snaps where they ask you questions about products you've tried, and then you can review products that you have tried, and then you can get yourself some Vox boxes. Oh, and my little tip is, if you really want makeup, try and review makeup. Try and do surveys about makeup. Because if you're trying to get all the little badges and stuff like that, you'll find yourself getting things that aren't makeup. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.